Like I said, at Memorial Day weekend, they're having the World Trial out in Sequatchie, Tennessee, so we have flyers on that. Welcome to come over, talk to the riders, look at the bikes, ask any questions.
Alright everybody, I'm Aaron, and as you can see, Alex is attempting to make a very difficult maneuver over the metal pipe. And I'm sure, as you can tell, it is very slick. This is a hard, what we like to call stuff, instead of the front wheel on it. This is a hard stuff to ride. And as you can see, he does it effortlessly. Let's give him a hand. Take his back up. We'll let him try it out. See, Alan is also trying this stuff. Remember, it's very slick. So what he wants to do is he wants to put his front tire stuff, as I said earlier, his front tire into the pipe. That creates pressure, so that way when he gasses it up, it'll give him some extra pop to lift him up onto the log, or rock, or pipe. As you can see, it is just really slick out here. But I'm sure he'll try again, right, Alan? He's going to come out a bit straighter here, give him a bit better setup. It takes absolute 100% concentration to do this. But it never helps to give him a hand. Let's give him another hand. Woo!